Here's how to make a timer inside of Motion. So click on Motion Project, make the duration for how long you want the timer to be. I want to do 10 minutes, so on the calculator, you put 10 times 60. You see it says 600. So duration, put 600 seconds, and open. A really cool thing about Motion is it has a built-in timer. So go to Add Object, Generators, Text Generators, and Time Code. You go over to Inspector and crank up the size, and you now have a 10-minute timer. And that's the main part of it. You can then go through here and mess with a lot of the settings. You go over to Text Generator, you have the format, so you can change the font. You have Appearance, so you can change the you can add outlines and colors, layout, and generator. Right here for the background color, bring the opacity down to 0. So now when you export the video, you go to Settings, have it set to Video, and then Apple ProRes 4444 to not have the background included. Let's put new timer 10 minutes. There we go. And now it's exporting. And now you can move it over into Final Cut Pro. And right here, once you put something underneath it, you can see it has no background. If you want it to count down instead of up to 10, click right here and then click reverse. And now it counts down from 10 minutes. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.